Life is one day at a time.com. Life is one day at a time, so get up. Life is one day at a time. Welcome to Life is one day at a time.com. I'm Minister Chestnut. Thank you for joining me again on another day of life and another day of love to live in His riches and glory. Praise God for another day here on planet Earth. Although things are getting quite hectic in different parts of the world, right here in America, hey, it's getting political. And hey, you have to remember, you have the educational, the political, the religious, financial, whatever else you want to throw in there. But the four dynasties are involved. And we'll get back to that in a minute. But right now, what we really want to talk about today is the relationship between a father and a son. I mean, it was the first thing on my mind this morning, because every morning I pray to the Father. So here on earth, we're talking about in this flesh, the relationship between a father and a son. Now, the relationship between a father and his son is a vital component in shaping the success and the trajectory of the son's life. Fathers play a crucial role in providing guidance, support, and wisdom to their sons, ultimately influencing their values, beliefs, and actions. In many cultures and religions, the father is seen as the head of the family and responsible for instilling morals and virtues in their offspring. One of the most important relationships that can influence success in the life of relationships between a father and his son is the fathers are often seen as role models for their sons, teaching them the importance of life lessons and values that would help them navigate the challenges and opportunities that come their way. A strong and supportive relationship between a father and a son can lead to increasing in confidence, resilience, and a sense of purpose in life. In many faith traditions, including Christianity, Islam, Judaism, the relationship between God and His Son is seen as a model for the relationship between a father and his sons on earth. Just as God provides unconditional love and guidance and support to His children, fathers are encouraged to do the same to their sons by nurturing a close relationship with their sons based on love, trust, and, fathers can help develop a strong sense of self-worth and moral character and spiritual grounding. Successful individuals often credit their fathers for instilling in them the values of work ethics and resilience needed to overcome obstacles and achieving their goals. Fathers who are actively involved in their sons' lives provide emotional support and offer guidance and mentorship, and they can help them navigate the life challenges and more effectively, guidance and support can have a profound impact on a son's success in relationships, his career, and personal fulfillment. In contrast, the relationship between a father and son is a key factor in determining the success and well being of the son. Just as God provides love and guidance to his sons, fathers are called to do the same to their children. By fostering a supportive and nurturing relationship based on trust, respect, and love, fathers can help their sons reach their full potential and lead successful and fulfilling lives. The relationship between a father and a son is a crucial aspect of a person's life. It plays a significant role in shaping one's beliefs, values, morals, and overall growth. When there is a lack of respect in this relationship, it can have serious implications on the success and well being of the son, as well as his relationship with God. Respect is a fundamental aspect of any healthy relationship, including the one between a father and a son. When there is a lack of respect in this dynamic, it can lead to a breakdown in communication, trust, and understanding. This can create a strained and dysfunctional relationship, making it difficult for the son to thrive and succeed in various aspects of his life. In terms of success, the lack of respect between a father and a son can hinder the son's ability to reach his full potential. Without a supportive and respectful father figure in his life, the son may struggle to develop a sense of self-worth and confidence. This can impact his academic performance, career aspirations, and personal relationships, ultimately inhibiting his overall success and happiness. Furthermore, the relationship between a father and his son is often seen as a reflection of the relationship between God and his sons. In many religious traditions, God is viewed as a father figure who provides guidance, love, and support to his children. When the relationship between a father and his son is fraught with disrespect, it can create a distorted understanding of God's love and support. Ultimately, a lack of respect in the relationship between a father and his son can have a far-reaching implications on the son's success, as well as his spiritual connection with God. This is crucial for fathers and sons to cultivate a relationship built on respect, trust, and empathy to foster a growth and happiness and success in all aspects of life. Because life is one day at a time.com. Now, when you wake up in the morning, I hope the first thing you do is pray to your Father in heaven. And then if you have a father here on earth, hey, pray for him too. And fathers, if you have sons, when you wake up and you pray to your father, hey, pray for your sons that they will succeed and prosper in mind, body, and soul, domestically, socially, and financially. We're talking about fathers and sons. And I'm out of time. We'll pick this up next week as we continue on another episode of Life is One Day at a Time.com. Life is one day at a time. Life is one day at a time. Life is one day at a time. Life is mercy, mercy, mercy. Life is one day at a time.